Hi, 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 hi. How are you guys today? I am making this short tutorial on how to save multiple files or layers in just a few clicks. This is so you can save your precious time by not having to keep clicking export or save as on each file, because that would be really tiring, isn't it? No, it's not, but you know, it will help you save time. Okay, so let's start. First, go to File and then Export, and then scroll down to Layers to Files, and in this window you choose your export location. I have already chosen mine, and you can also change the file name, but I think the system automatically stamps numbers in order, and if I'm not mistaken, it starts from the upper layer to the lower layer. Alright, so after that you choose your file type, either BMP or PNG, JPEG, or whatever you want, but I'm gonna choose JPEG. And then choose your quality. I'll choose 10 on mine, and then after that just click run, and voila, it will save it for you. Let's go check the result. There they are. Easy peasy. Okay, so that is all, and I wish you a happy day. Bye.